Before it's not nice to say goodbye, no? You feel bad to end a function, end such a beautiful 2.5 days that we've had together. It's not just bringing us all together, but everyone has got inspired by the others around. If we thought that what we were doing was good, but not enough, when you come in a hall like this and see what others have done, you really see how little you have done, how much more there is to do, but you also are inspired that there are so many like you, that there are so many of us here who are willing to put ourselves out for animals. Some of us who may have different occupations, not be full-time in animal welfare or animal protection, but still willing to go that extra mile. And that, I think, gives us enough of fuel in ourselves to go out for the next couple of years, or at least till the next IFA is held. So, to make this function happen, there have been a lot of people who have worked hard, as you can well imagine. And it is my privilege, my duty, something that I enjoy doing, to say thank you to everyone. I first want to call the staff of FIAPO. They are people who have worked behind the scenes. Will you please come up? They have come. Look how many we are. This is the FIAPO team. This is the executive staff who works tirelessly to campaign, to coordinate, to integrate. I'm very quickly going to name them, because it's not enough that we clap for them as a group. Shweta, come out first. Yeah, come quickly. Okay. Now don't clap because it will take time and there are people who have to go, but a quick clap will be fine. Shweta is the campaign manager for Living Free. Prashant is the person who handles the circus campaign and has worked tirelessly along with CZA and AWBI. Jairup is the campaign coordinator to end intensive dairies campaign. So those of us who wanted to work with dairies, well, Jairup is the person. Anuj is the administrator for FIAPO, behind the scenes at all times. We're organizing tickets and organizing dates and so on. Vidhi is our communications manager. Puneet has been with FIAPO for some time. He's our graphic designer. Puneet, where are you? Yeah, okay. Puneet, our graphic designer and campaign support officer. Some of them are really shy. You know, people like me would step forward. They are just putting a small hand up. Then there is Tausif, who's part of the fundraising team. Don't steal him away from us. Minarul, who has also been part of our fundraising. Reena Agarwal does the accounts, adding the math, hoping we've made some little profit, not run into a loss. Anup is from the Varanasi Federation, the organization, when I talked to you about Varanasi. Aisha is our campaign coordinator, Living Free. Aisha, where are you? Yes. Okay, Aisha is for Living Free. Tanya is for legal affairs. Tanya? Yeah, so she works with us because we have a lot of court matters and the court cases. Every time a court case is being filed, someone says, FIAPO, do something about it. Find data, do something. Swati is our digital communications officer. Archit is our intern working on the dairy campaign also. Arushi has joined FIAPO for IT development. Kanishk supports the design team. And Rakhil Stevens is our PR communication. Rakhil? is our PR communications officer. Some of them are a little new to me also because some of them are a little recent. And holding the whole thing together are our two executive directors. Arpan Sharma. Arpan, you have to come forward. Please give him a big hand. He's made this conference possible. And while Arpan has worked to raise the funds that we needed for this, to do a lot of organization, the content of the conference has largely been Varda's baby. So, thank you very much, FIAPO team, from all of us present in the hall, for all the hard work that you've put in, and may you work harder. Okay, I also need to thank my co-trustees in FIAPO for all the inputs, brainstorming, thinking about where it should be, whom should we invite, how should we call, whom should we call for this function. And I think we've done a really good job with getting speakers who have brought in, as I said, a different perspective to animal welfare and yet had their hearts along with us in the whole concept of animal protection. We got Vandana, we got Anand. They were our keynote speakers on both the days, and today we had Bittu, master of the word, master of photographs, my good friend for many, many, many years. And he always says, "Hello, darling, where's your husband?" So I have to tell him that my husband's not here. Then he adds another darling and another warmer kiss for me. Okay, so our trustees, and if they would stand up. Well, I am the chairperson, you know. Then there is Abod. Abod's been with FIAPO right since the very beginning. That is right from 2007? Yeah, it's been right from the beginning in the very formative stages like myself. There's Vasanti Wadi from PFA Hyderabad. Vasanti has come in as a trustee. She's an elected trustee, isn't it? She's an elected trustee, which means you people have chosen her. Every year when we have the elections, we have rotating trustees, and a trusteeship is for 3 years. And so Vasanti was your choice, and I cannot tell you how good a choice Vasanti has been, because Vasanti has the guts to fight. She's been wonderful on the circus campaign, and she also has the energy which she puts aside to think of new schemes, new ideas, new plans. She's a wonderful trustee for FIAPO. Chinni Krishna has been our father, godfather, there from the very beginning. What would animal welfare be if Chinni is not around? We make sure he comes for every function, gives us his blessings, which he generously does. Thank you, Chinni. Shakuntala is also our trustee. She has worked particularly hard on the IFA because it is in Mumbai, like Abod. It was part of their responsibility, and Shakuntala went out of her way to ensure that we got the persons we needed, the facilities we needed, and has really put herself out to assist with the IFA in Mumbai, because Varda and the team are in Delhi and could come towards the end, but she was here all the time. And then there's Satya. Satya, you didn't come up with the earlier team. Oh, next team, okay. Satya is with Blue Cross, and he has been with FIAPO for a previous term and renominated to the trusteeship of FIAPO. So these are the people for this term. You may not see them for the next term because, as I said, we like this idea of rotating trusteeship, and we hope that when the elections are put out, some of you or many of you will stand, many of you will vote, because in the end, FIAPO is yours as much as ours. FIAPO is us. FIAPO is not an NGO where some people do things for others. FIAPO is one where we do things for all of us and for the animals. So please take part in the elections, put up good candidates. We want good people to be part of FIAPO. FIAPO must evolve, it must change, it must have new ideas, and that's the only way to keep a federation alive in keeping with the times and so on. Well, I now call Suma and Aniha. Are they there? Suma and Aniha? Yeah, I'm calling them on stage because we have a few donors to thank. They are people, that our donors are people who have helped with this IFA conference and who have helped FIAPO to run several of its programs. And we want the recipients of the two recipients, representative capacity of us animal welfare organizations and activists, to thank on our behalf the few donors that I wish to mention. Blue Cross of India has been a great supporter of FIAPO. Blue Cross is one of the founders of FIAPO, a great promoter of the Indian Federation, and FIAPO is grateful for its unstinting support. I call upon Major Don Williams, General Manager, representative of Blue Cross of India, to receive a small memento from Anisha and Suma. Just go a little further.
It will be very unfair if I receive this all by myself. I have with me Santosh, Velu, Dr. Shankar, Dr. Bhanupriya, Ravi, Sheila, and Janani. Please come up. Please. Thank you very much, Blue Cross of India. Dogs Trust is the world's largest charity focused on the welfare of dogs worldwide. And FIAPO has been fortunate that Dogs Trust has been a principal supporter of the IFA event for the second successive year. Besides that, Dogs Trust's footprint in India is extensive with several NGOs. They give support and assistance to a number of NGOs, not only in the form of grants, but also by way of trainings which they run. They run the massive Mission Rabies program, and I know how successful it has been in Goa, because recently at a function in Goa where the second year of the Mission Rabies was installed, the Chief Minister came to the program and he said that while last year there were 4 cases of rabies, this year from January to September there has not been a single case of rabies which has been noticed. So there is great work done by Dogs Trust. I invite Carol McKenna, representing Dogs Trust, to please come on stage and to receive the memento from our 2 young persons.
Sorry, that's Giles. Sorry.
Oh, you
sorry, that's Giles.
I thought so. I thought it was Giles. Well, Giles Weber, will you please come on stage? Yes, Carol is with Compassionate in World Farming. Sorry.
Sorry.
Steve and Linda, maybe you should come up also.
Come on, Steve.
Since I made a mistake, I might as well make amends. That's what happens when you deal with notes. When it comes from the head, you're all right. Then there's the Clark's Hotel family and Timmy Kumar, who have been very generous and gracious supporters of animal protection in the city of Jaipur. Timmy is a trustee, is a former trustee of FIAPO, and we are particularly grateful to Timmy and her husband Apurva for having instituted the Clark's Care for Animals Award, which recognizes the work of a young and upcoming animal protection NGO. Timmy, thank you for your help, particularly for the circus campaign, because the circus campaign, when we thought of it, we had no funds to start with. And Timmy said, well, I have some funds for the protection of elephants, so I will make them over to FIAPO to start the circus campaign, which was able to rescue animals. So Timmy, thank you, and Help in Suffering. Timmy works with Help in Suffering. Is Timmy around?
Nirmal ji is collecting on Timmy's behalf.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir, your name?
Mr. Nirmal Jain.
Mr. Nirmal Jain is collecting the memento on behalf of Timmy and Help in Suffering. Thank you very much, sir. And then we have Paul Littlefair representing RSPCA. We salute and felicitate Paul Littlefair, the head of international affairs of RSPA, who has had a strong affinity for Asia. I am told, and I don't know if Paul is right, I'm told that his attentions have been also grabbed by China, so we've got a competitor somewhere down the line, but we are hoping that we are back in your affections and your love and your generosity. But really, Paul, thank you for all the warm support you have given FIAPO at all times. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Paul Littlefair. Thank you. And I think I'm almost at the end. Yeah. Okay. Bridget Aloy, representing the Bridget Bardot Foundation. Bridget. Well, everyone, when you say this is Bridget at the Bridget Bardot Foundation, they are expecting to see. Well, we want to thank Bridget. Bridget tells me that the foundation has supported 69 countries, did you say? 60 countries around the world in animal protection, and India Indian organizations receive a large amount of the support from the Bridget Bardot Foundation. Thank you very much for your help and support. Okay, back to the hands-on thank yous which I have to do, and I need to thank the eVentures team. I'm sorry, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much. I need to acknowledge, well, there are no mementos, I don't know if there's a memento to give, but I want to acknowledge the eVentures team, which has been the event manager for this occasion. All this decor, all the organizing, all the entries, all the work that was done to make this a secure, safe place for this function and put up everything. I have Mr. Salahuddin, Mr. Asif Izar, Samir, Vishnu, Prashant, and Satya. Satya, where are you? And last but not the least, the people who have taken care of our nourishment for these 2.5 days. The hotel staff of the Lalit, who have gone out of their way to provide us with such wonderful food, vegan food, making our stay comfortable. I ask to come on stage Swapnil, Gyan, Pahaman, Vikas, and the chefs, Chef Ashish and Chef Vinod. So the papers in my sheets were mixed up. We still have to thank and also our donor, Carol McKenna, who I got mixed up with Dogs Trust because that's the notes I got. But Carol McKenna from Compassion in World Farming, who has also been a great supporter of the IFA and the work that we have done. And on your behalf, now I've sent the other two down, so I'm going to give the felicitation.
I would just like to thank once again all of the staff of FIAPO and all of the trustees for this absolutely amazing event. I think the motto share, learn and inspire is fantastic. I think we've all shared, we've all learned, and I've really been inspired. And thank you so much. Thank you to the staff.
All I can say is thank you for being here, for being a full house for every session. We did not face... Have I still left out somebody? No, we're just being a national anthem. All right. You know the notes keep coming up. But I do want to thank you for being here at all times, for listening, for participating. And I want to say, come again. See you the next time. Bring 10 people with you. And then we have a hall of 1,000 people in this hall. Thank you very, very much. We will be playing the national anthem, for which I will ask you to stand up. Jai Hind.